How to fix Cash App not receiving money. If your Cash App isn't receiving money, there are many ways that could be happening and many ways to fix it as well. First of all, just check whether or not your internet connection is working just fine, and if it's working fine, that's perfectly fine. After that, you want to check if your Cash App is also updated to the latest version. If it isn't already updated, you see the update button there, make sure to update it. You also want to make sure to verify your account information on Cash App. So whenever you're trying to withdraw your money from Cash App, you select the cash out option. It will ask you to enter the account details, and then it will ask you to enter the bank account. So make sure your bank details are also correct, and it could also be that you might have any sort of account limits. So you can also try to check your limits by coming to Cash App homepage, tapping the profile icon from the top right hand side and going to the limits option and trying to just see if that helps you solve the problem. Last but not the least, if none of the solutions work, you can simply try to contact Cash App support. This way you should be able to fix Cash App not receiving money. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.